Hello everyone, this is Barry J again. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, I'm going to share how I become a Shopee ambassador. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So hello guys, ito na po tayo. So I'm going to share how I become a Shopee ambassador. So actually, becoming a Shopee ambassador is my great experience as a content creator kasi I have the chance to share the things that I'd like to buy sa Shopee. Tapos yung mga tao ma-inspire din kasi makikita nila sa'yo kung anong binibili mo doon. So as a content creator din, I can also earn money from becoming a Shopee ambassador kasi may mga commission. So, yun nga sa thumbnail ko, you can earn as 5-digit numbers. So, you can earn like around 20, 10,000, 30,000. It depends kung you are a very hardworking in posting in Shopee. So let's get it on. So ito po yung before becoming a Shopee ambassador, you have to know the requirements needed. So first, you should have a valid Shopee account. So of course, you need to have a Shopee account kasi hindi ka ma-approve kung wala kang Shopee. So Shopee account, sabi din ng iba, you should be like a platinum member, but for me, in my case, I am a classic member of Shopee. So I just recently bought some things in there, and it didn't grow up to become a gold or platinum. It's just classic, but I was still approved by Shopee. And the second one, you should have a 1,000 followers or subscribers to your social media. So for example, if you have YouTube channel, you should have like 1,000 followers, subscribers. If you have an Instagram, you should have 1,000 followers above. Twitter 1,000, Facebook 1,000, TikTok 1,000 above then. So if you have those 1,000 subscribers, followers above, then isa yan sa mga requirements din ni Shopee para ma-approve yung account mo to become a Shopee ambassador. So may babasahin lang ako dito. So you should have a 1,000 followers in social media accounts. Then after completing the form, meron kang isa-sign up. Meron kang isa-sign up sa Shopee para malaman nila yung application niyo. Wala. So, pagkatapos niyan, the Shopee group will evaluate your account if pasado ba or hindi. So, in my case, actually I got approved last year pa. But I didn't check my email kasi dahil sa Typhoon Odette, hindi ko na-update yung email ko. So I just read it na like around last January, then I found out it's approved. So it was very good and it was really nice. So guys, if you have the Shopee app on your phone, you can really see na Shopee ambassador ka kasi on your app you can see the affiliate section there. I will share here on the screen yung screenshot video ko sa Shopee app ko. You can check here, meron siyang affiliate something. So guys, if you want to become a Shopee ambassador, don't be shy. You just follow the requirements needed. Dahil we never know na ito'y makakatulong sa inyo at makaka-inspire ka pa ng ibang tao. So, yan lang po aking masasabi as a new Shopee ambassador. So, if you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, again, please hit the notification bell down below and subscribe, like, and share naman dyan. And salamat for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this and you find this video helpful. So I will post another Shopee event soon. So please keep, watching lang to my next Shopee something posting. So thank you so much, guys. This has been Barry J signing off. Goodbye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.